we are looking at how to pronounce those two words. There is an argument or a debate online on whether those words sound exactly the same or not. It seems that a lot of people, when you pronounce the top word, hear the second word at the bottom on your screen, but their pronunciations are actually very different. What happens is that some people hear high frequencies less or more, and the sound quality of the device you're using for hearing those words can vary greatly as well, resulting in those two words sometimes, in some occasions, sounding the same. But those words are to be pronounced very differently. There is a video explaining this phenomenon really well, which I'll link to at the end of this video. So how do you pronounce those words? The top word, which is a herb or a plant, is to be said as laurel. Laurel. Do you hear laurel or do you hear YANNY? YANNY is how you say the bottom word here. Very different pronunciations. No L's, obviously, to YANNY. Two L's to laurel. Laurel versus YANNY. YANNY. Can you hear the difference? Or do you hear the same words? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce interesting words whose pronunciations aren't obvious, and that video which explains what exactly happens if you're hearing YANNY when I say laurel. I'll see you there to learn more.